going on, everybody? My name is Shammy Dee. I'm a DJ based in Los Angeles, holding it down for people during the pandemic. The morning after we had the quarantine orders, I remember waking up feeling like I just need to show up. I just need to show up, and what can I do to help inspire people? Having seen these videos, one day I was like, let's just go up on the roof and see what happens. So as soon as I started playing, slowly, surely, one person comes out, another person comes out, a third couple comes out. And they hear the music, they like what's going on. People, I get down when I DJ, so I'm always dancing, having a good time. I'm on the mic, I'm shouting people out. So the sense of connection with people, even across the street, or even like 4 buildings to the right of me, like they are engaged with what's going on and had a good time. Everybody is stuck at home right now with nothing to do. And I know music is able to bring joy to people, right? Music is something that just cuts straight to the heart, straight to the soul of people. And I figure if I just play some good music, even if for a little bit of time, I think that can just uplift people momentarily and we'll be all right. Because of course what we do depends on crowds coming together. Then all the other DJs that I know are in a similar situation as well. We all need help. I'm not making money, so I can't like donate to charities necessarily, but I know that I could maybe bring attention to charities that are helping people out right now. And again, this was just one of those instinctual things that like, I need to show up. I should also show up for charities. Story myself. I've been able to book multiple paid live streams. I've done birthday parties in New Zealand. I've done pandemic happy hours. They called it the Candemic party. So I've been able to have fun with people and provide joy in a time that it's been tough for folks.